Hey, Damon here for Automotive Superstore. A quick video on how to wire up the 3-wire steering wheel control interface between an aftermarket head unit in your car using an Aerpro patch system like the one I've got here in this kit for my Volkswagen Transporter, for which I'm putting in a Grundig GX 3800. Now, this is also common in head units from Mongoose, from Aerpro, from Stinger, and from Clarion. And you'll see in the wiring loom, in the manual, it'll show 3 little individual wires on the manual that you need to connect. They are marked steering wheel ground, key 1 and key 2, and they are just little fly leads that'll be on the loom. Now I've just put bullet connectors on this to make it nice and easy to connect, and you simply correspond those across to the loom coming from Aerpro on their specific patch lead that's marked key 1, key 2 and steering ground. Now once that's installed, it's a point of going to the menu system on the head unit and just finding the area where the steering wheel control programming is. Once you've found that, just follow the prompts. Just click, for example, volume up, hold the button on the steering wheel down for a long press, and it'll acknowledge that it's been accepted. Then you follow that through with volume down, track forward, track backwards, phone answer, mute, and so on. Once that's all programmed in, it's really as simple as just going back to the main menu and making sure all of those functions work. If not, just repeat them again. It is worth mentioning though that there are certain cars that have the scroll type controls on their steering wheels that you might find might not work with a 3-wire, but they will work with the plug-in style, and keep that in mind when choosing your head unit.